If you're a nonprofit organization looking to raise money, then this video is for you, because today I'm talking fundraiser. If you're like me and have kids, then you probably participated in one of these fundraisers. It's Chipotle night, it's Panera night, it's Chuck E. Cheese night. As a parent, it's getting harder and harder to go to the same places every single day for different fundraisers, even though some of us go to Starbucks every single day. So if you're a nonprofit organization like Cutler Ridge Soccer, then you may be looking to add a new type of fundraising to the mix. Then consider my company Traferral. I don't think they've heard about Traferral. Well, that's why I'm telling them now. Anyways, cut to the voiceover. Traferral is a travel and tourism website that allows registered users like nonprofits to share links to tours and activities while earning commissions and donations when visitors buy activities based upon their links. Well, how was that? It was good, but you didn't explain how Traferral is 365 days versus 1 day at a restaurant. So I'm at Panera Bread and I went to go try to order my food. Yes, I'm here for the Cutler Ridge Soccer night. Can you put it towards the fundraiser for the Cutler Ridge Soccer? But since it's not the specific day and time, there is no way that they can let what I bought today go to them. You see, the fundraiser for Traferral could be for all sorts of activities, and it could be held year-round. And this gives the nonprofit organization the greatest opportunity to earn revenue. So you may be thinking, if it's so easy, why are not more nonprofits participating? This program's new, so I'm getting the word out, and it takes money to get the word out. So that's why I'd rather make this video and share it on my YouTube channel to let all of you all participate in my new program. So for Traferral's inaugural fundraiser, we partnered up with Cutler Ridge Soccer. And you can find a link in the bottom of this video, and if you click on it, and anything you buy on the Traferral website, all the proceeds and the commissions will go to Cutler Ridge Soccer. So if you'd like to participate in this new fundraiser benefiting Cutler Ridge Soccer, then go to this video's description, click on the link, and anything that you buy, any tours and activities, will benefit Cutler Ridge Soccer. And if you have any questions, then just write it in the comments section of this video or go to Traferral.com for more information. And like I always say, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the real world.